Hello students, I am Sivanathan from the Department of Botany. Do you remember what we learned in the previous class? In the last class, we learned about the title steel and types of steel. Okay, I asked some questions from the previous topic. Define steel. 2-mark question. Circle-shaped vascular tissue consisting of xylem, phloem, pericycle and medullaries with pith. That is called steel. Types of steel. There are two types. One is protosteel, second one siphonosteel. What are the difference between protosteel and siphonosteel? First of all, what is mean protosteel? Pro. What is mean pro? Pro means beginning or early. First formed steel is called protosteel. Protosteel, there are 4 types. What are the 4 types? Haplosteel, actinosteel, plectosteel and mixed protosteel. Siphonosteel, the center of pith is present. Xylem completely surrounded by phloem tissue. There are 6 types. Protosteel, there are 4 types. Siphonosteels, there are 6 types. Ectofolic siphonosteel, ambifolic siphonosteel, solenosteel, eusteel, adductive steel and polycyclic steel. Today we are going to learn about the topic chapter 2 plant kingdom. One of the division gymnosperms, phanerogames, plants group. What is mean phanerogames? Phanerogames means flowering plants. What are the subtitles? Today we have learned general characteristics feature, classification of gymnosperms, general characters of main classes. First main class Cycadopsida, second main class Coniferopsida, third main class Nitopsida. Next title, comparison of gymnosperms with angiosperm. Last one, the difference between gymnosperm and angiosperm plants group. Gymnosperm, the term is very important. The term gymnosperm origin from Greek word. 1-mark question. Gymnosperm term origin from dash Greek word. Gymnosperm, the term meaning gymnos means naked, sperm means seed. So naked is seed producing plants. Very important 1-mark question. There were dominant in the Jurassic and Cretaceous period of Mesozoic era. The geological time scale, based on the geological time scale, the origin of gymnosperm plants group with period Jurassic and Cretaceous period, but which era? Mesozoic era. Define gymnosperms. There are 5 characters present. One is cone-bearing plants. Cone-like structure is called present. Reproduce with the scales. Scales, the Third one, nagged seeds. Fourth one, do not have leaves, only needles present. Evergreen plants. So gymnosperm plants group almost evergreen plants. Gymnosperm general characteristics feature. Most of the gymnosperms are evergreen, woody, and trees are shrubs. What is mean woody? Woody means woody plants are either trees, shrub, and lianas. Plant that produce wood as it is a structural tissue. Some are lianas. Lianas, what does mean lianas? Lianas means in Tamil பற்றி ஏறும் கட்டைத்தன்மை கொண்ட தாவரங்கள். ஸோ லைனஸ் மீன்ஸ் பற்றி ஏறும் கட்டைத்தன்மை கொண்ட தாவரங்கள். ஓகே. லாங் ஸ்டெம்டு woody plants. What is mean lion? Long stemmed woody plants. Next, the plant body is sporophyte. Plant body is sporophyte and is differentiated into root, stem and leaf. A well-developed root system is present. Root system is very important. Another one, specialized characters. Taproot system is present. There are two types: taproot system and fibrous root system. Gymnosperm plants group taproot system is present. Coralloid roots of cycas have symbiotic association. What is mean symbiotic association? So both the living organisms living together. So coralloid roots of cycas. Cycas plants oda coralloid root la symbiotic association follow பண்றது blue green algae. Listen of you, two different plants group. One is gymnosperm plants, another one algae group. So it's very important. Gymnosperm plants group cycas. Cycas oda root la algae oda member ஆன blue green algae போய் வந்து அங்கே symbiotic association வந்து வாழ்றாங்க, living together இருக்காங்க. As is will say, in Pinus the roots have mycorrhiza. So cycas oda coralloid root la blue green algae எப்படி வந்து symbiotic association வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணுதோ அது சேம் கான்செப்ட். பைனஸ் ட்ரீயோட ரூட்டில் மைக்ரோரைஸாங்கிற பிளான்ஸ் குரூப் வந்து சிம்பியாட்டிக் அசோசியேஷன் வந்து ஃபாலோ ஆகுது. யூ see the diagram. So the coralloid root is, what are the advantage? The plants to form mosses. Root cortex inhabited by the cyanobacteria. Very important, cyanobacteria. So carry out nitrogen fixation. What are the process involving? இங்கே வந்து என்ன ப்ராசஸ் நடக்குது அப்படின்னா the nitrogen fixation. In conifers, two types of branches, namely branches of limited growth. There are two types of growth present. Branches of limited growth, thwart shoot, and branches of unlimited growth, long shoot is present. Some leaves very small branches only present. Some leaves very large unlimited growth is present. That is called long shoot and short shoot. Okay, long unlimited growth of branches, thwart shoot, limited growth of shoot. Secondary growth is present. Secondary growth is the metabolic activity of plants. Secondary growth is secondary xylem and secondary phloem. The wood may be monocyclic and pycnocyclic. What is mean monocyclic? Monocyclic wood. The wood formed may be in the ring tube persistent cambium activity. So monocyclic wood formed from the cambial activity. ஸோ ரிங் ஷேப்பில் இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த கேம்பியம் ஆக்டிவிட்டினால தான் ஒரு மோனோசைக்ளிக் ஃபுட் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆகுது. ஸோ மோனோசைக்ளிக் ஃபுட் ஃபார்ம் specialized character porous and soft or more parenchyma with white medullary rays. Example cycas. Cycas plantsல என்ன டைப் ஆஃப் வுட்ஸ் இருக்குன்னா மோனோசைக்ளிக் வுட்ஸ் வந்து இருக்கும். ஸோ இதை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா porous. Porous means pitch. So soft, very soft condition. So more parenchymas with white medullary rays present. So is made up of parenchymatous tissue with wide range of medullary rays also present. So pycnocyclic hardwood. மோனோசைக்கிள்ங்கிறது சாஃப்ட் வுட். ஓகே, பிக்னோசைக்கிள்ங்கிறது ஹார்ட்வுட். இந்த compact with narrow medullary rays. An example pinus. So monocyclic is a good example cycas. Pycnocyclic is a good example pinus. So monocyclic is referred to the soft wood, but pycnocyclic is referred to the hardwood. There are heterospores. Hetero means two are different. Spores means spores. Two different spores producing plants is called heterospores. Two different spores producing plants is called heterospores. The plant body may be monoecious or dioecious. Monoecious is the good example pinus. Dioecious is the good example cycas. What is mean monoecious? Male and female reproductive organ in the same individual. Listen up you. Male and female reproductive organ at the same individual plants la present ஆயிருந்தா அது வந்து monoecious. But dioecious, male and female reproductive organ in the separate individual plants. So male reproductive organ ஒரு individual plantsலையும் female reproductive organ another one individualலையும் present ஆயிருந்தா அது dioecious. But as a same plantல monoecious and dioecious ரெண்டும் சேமா இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா ஒரே plantல இருந்தால் அது வந்து monoecious. Monoecious is good example pinus. Dioecious is the good example cycas. Microsporangia and megasporangia are produced on microsporophyll and megasporophyll. So what is microsporophyll? Micro means small size leaves. Phylum means leaf. Okay, mega means mentioned the large size. So small size leaves is called microsporophyll. Large size leaves is called megasporophylls. So microsporophylls then produced microsporangia. Megasporophylls then produced megasporangia. Polyembryony. What is mean polyembryony? What is mean poly? Poly means many. Embryony means embryo. So this kind of plants having many embryo. The nagged ovule develop into seed. Nagged ovule develop into seeds. The endosperm is haploid and develop before fertilization. Very important one mark question. Gymnosperm plant endosperm having haploid in nature. Most of the angiosperm plants group endosperm naturally triploid in condition, but gymnosperm plants group endosperm having only haploid in nature. Why? Because before fertilization, the involvement of before fertilization. The life cycle show alternation of the generation is present. The alternation of generation is present. Classification of gymnosperm. Spur 1965 classified gymnosperm into 3 main class, 9 order, 31 family. One more question. What are the 3 main class? Cycadopsida, Coniferopsida and Nitopsida. So Cycadopsida is belongs to 4 order: Pteridospermales, Pentatales, Pentosilales, Cycadales. Coniferopsida include 4 orders: Cortitales, Coniferales, Taxales, Jingoiales. Nitales include only one order. A single order class is called Neotapsida. Details. Next subtitle, general characters of main classes. There are three main classes in division of Gymnosperm plants group. The first main class, Psychedapsida. Psychedapsida plants groups palm-like or worm-like structure. Leaf, compound leaf. Psychedapsida group of members, the compound leaf is called frond. Frond-like pinnate leaves present. Very important one more question. Notice the point. Then monocyclic wood. What is mean monocyclic wood? The wood formed may be in one ring due to the persistent cambium. Wood, the formation of wood, the presence of cambium activity. What is mean cambium? Cambium is the meristematic division. Meristematic tissue ரெண்டா டிவைட் ஆகி ஸோ ரெண்டா டிவைட் ஆகிறது மூலமாக wood வந்து டெவலப் ஆகுது. Sperms are motile cells. What is mean motile? Motile means function of movement. One place to another place வந்து transfer ஆகிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கிறது motile cells. Flower like structures are absent. So Psychedapsida plants groupல flower like structureங்கிறது completely absent. Strobilae are simple. Strobilae is mentioned to the cone like structure. So seeds நம்ம சொல்றோம்ல Gymnosperm plantsல so nact seed னு சொல்றோம், not seed, not true seed. Seed is compared to the strobilae. Strobilae is otherwise called cone. Example, Cycas gemia. Second class, Coniferapsida. You compare with Psychedapsida. So what are the difference between class 1 and class 2? Tall tree with simple leaves of varied shape. This is the Coniferapsida plants group. Leaves are varied in shape. Different types of leaves are present. Wood is pycnocyclic wood. Psychedapsida monocyclic wood. So Coniferapsida pycnocyclic wood. So pycno means heart shaped wood. Pycno means heart shaped wood. Wood is present. So heart shaped wood are present. Cone like strobilae present. Cone like structure present. So motile sperms are absent. Listen up here, two different characters, two different modified characters, class 1 and class 2. So class 1 Psychedapsida wood is monocyclic, motile cells are present. But class 2 Coniferapsida wood is pycnocyclic, motile sperms are completely absent except Gingopailopa. So Gingopailopa la motile cells present. Gingopailopa is belongs to the Coniferapsida class. Example, Pinus. So different types of leaves and male and female cone are separately present. Class 3rd, Neotapsida. So Neotapsida plants group habit shrub, trees and lianas. Leaves are elliptical or stop shaped. This is the elliptical structure of leaves. This type of leaves is called elliptical shape. Motile sperms are absent. This kind of class is also motile sperms are absent. Wood contain vessels. Vessels is one of the angiospermic characters. So angiospermic character Gymnosperm plants group la Neotapsida group la வந்து present ஆயிருக்கு. Strobilus is called as inflorescence. Strobilus is called inflorescence. Inflorescence in the what is mean inflorescence? The arrangement of flower. The arrangement of flower. Strobili is mentioned to the cone. So cone like flower வந்து present ஆயிருக்கிறதுனால இது வந்து என்ன சொல்றாங்க inflorescence சொல்றாங்க. Flower like structure with the perianth is present. So most of the Psychedapsida Coniferapsida ல வந்து flower like structure completely absent பார்த்தோம். But Neotapsida ல so Neotapsidaங்கிறது one kind of Gymnosperm plants group, but some specialized advanced character அதாவது angiosperm characters வந்து எதில் present ஆகிருக்குன்னா Nitopsida plants groupல இருக்கும். ஸோ எக்ஸ்பீசியலி என்னென்ன கேரக்டர்ஸ் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கு அப்படின்னா வெசல்ஸ், அதாவது வெசல்ஸுங்கிறது வாட்டர் கண்டென்டிங் எலமெண்ட்ஸ். ஸோ இது வந்து ஆஞ்சியோஸ்பெர்ம் பிளான்ட்ஸ் குரூப்பில் மட்டும் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். பட் ஆனால் ஜிம்னோஸ்பெர்மில் நீட்டாப்சிடா கிளாஸஸில் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி ஆஞ்சியோஸ்பெர்ம் பிளான்ட்ஸோட ஒன் ஆஃப் த மெயின் கேரக்டர் ஃப்ளவர் ஆர் பீரியட். ஸோ திஸ் கேரக்டர்ஸ் நீட்டாப்சிடா குரூப் பிளான்ட்ஸில் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த குட் எக்ஸாம்பிள்? நீட்டாப்சிடா, நீட்டம் எபிட்ரா. Comparison of gymnosperm with angiosperm. So the presence of well organized plant body which is differentiated into root, stem and leaves. So plant body is identified differentiated into root system, shoot system and leaf easily identified. Presence of cambium in gymnosperm as in the dicotyledons. So next one, the wood formation. The development of wood is the activity of cambium tissue. This is the structure of cambium. So what is mean cambium? The activity of meristematic division. So meristematic divisions மூலமா வந்து அவருடைய wood formation நடக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. So the circle shaped vascular tissue is consisting of xylem, phloem elements and pericycle and endodermis. So in between xylem and phloem, cambium tissue is present. The comparison of gymnosperm and angiosperm, male and female reproductive organ. First of all, I talk about the gymnosperm. Gymnosperm plants group, microscopic female gametophyte inside ovulate cone, microscopic male gametophyte inside of the pollen cone. Plant body is sporophyte. Angiosperm plants group, plant body is sporophyte. Sporophyte in diploid in nature. Angiosperm plants group, microscopic male gametophyte inside of these parts of the flower, microscopic female gametophyte inside these parts of the flower. Okay, this is the angiosperm and gymnosperm. So gymnosperm male and female are separately present, but on angiosperm male and female reproductive organ present the same flower. Flowers in Neetum resemble to the angiosperm male flower. Flower is the one of the resemble characters of angiosperm. The zygote is represent the first cell of the sporophyte generation. Zygote is haploid or triploid. Zygote is naturally triploid. How to form zygote? Male and female gametes, the fusion of after fertilization to form zygote. So male gametes naturally haploid in nature. So female gametes also naturally haploid. So haploid plus haploid, the involvement of fertilization process to form zygote. Zygote is the triploid stage. This is a very important one mark question. The presence of integument around the ovule. So outermost layer of the ovule, integument. So integument is modified into the seed coat. Both plant group produce seeds. Angiosperm and gymnosperm plants groups produce seeds. Pollen tube help in the transfer of male nucleus in both. So this is the very important one mark question. Angiosperm and gymnosperm plants groups, the transfer of male nucleus. Pollen tube. The presence of eustyl. What is mean eustyl? Eustyl means the vascular tissue, pith and pericycle present. Difference between gymnosperm and angiosperm. First one characters, vessels are absent except nitils. Nitils group of gymnosperm plants la mattum vessels வந்து present ஆயிருக்கும். But other gymnosperm plants group la vessels வந்து absent. What are the function of vessels? Vessels is the function of water and mineral absorption and transport to the other parts of the plant. Angiosperm vessels are present. Phloem lake companion cell. Phloem containing the 4 elements, phloem parenchyma, phloem scleroid, companion cells and scleroid. So only the lack of companion cell. Companion cells are present. Ovules are naked. Ovules are enclosed within the ovary. ஸோ ஜிம்னோஸ்பம் பிளான்ஸ் குரூப்பில் ஓவில்ஸ் வந்து ஓப்பனாகவே இருக்கும், நேக்கட் ஐனால் வந்து விசிபிளாக ஐஸில் வந்து ஈஸியாக நம்ம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம். பட் ஆனால் ஆஞ்சியோஸ்பம் பிளான்ஸ் குரூப்பில் ஓவரிங்கிற லேயர்ஸ் வந்து ஓவில்ஸ் வந்து கவர் பண்ணியிருக்கும். ஸோ வின் பாலினேஷன் ஒன்லி ஜிம்னோஸ்பம் டைப் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பிளான்ஸ் குரூப்பில் என்ன கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பாலினேஷன் நடக்குது அப்படின்னா வின் பாலினேஷன். விண்டுங்கிறது அனிமோஃபில்லி. இந்த டேர்ம் அனிமோ மீன்ஸ் விண்ட். ஸோ ஆஞ்சியோஸ்பம் பிளான்ஸ் குரூப்ஸில் இன்செக்ட், விண்ட், வாட்டர், மினரல்ஸ் எக்ஸெட்ரா. ஸோ ஆல் த கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பாலினேஷன் ஏஜென்ட். ஸோ இதெல்லாம் என்னது ஒன் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் பாலினேஷன் ஏஜென்ட். So double fertilization is absent. Gymnosperm plants group double fertilization is absent. So because the endosperm haploid in nature, because before fertilization double fertilization is present, the endosperm triploid. Fruit formation is absent because ovary absent. Fruit formation is present. Flower absent, flower present. It's expected 5 mark question. Today classes we have learned Gymnosperm plants group. Gymnosperm plants group, what are the title we have discussed? Introduction of gymnosperm, general characteristic feature of gymnosperm, classification of gymnosperm, then comparison between gymnosperm and angiosperm, then differentiate between gymnosperm and angiosperm. Okay, don't waste your time. Thank you student, see you next class.